In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency pairs to your watch list on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having a watch list of specific currency pairs can streamline your trading process and keep you organized. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can easily track the currency pairs that interest you. So, let's dive right in and set up your watch list. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the chart page on TradingView. This is your main hub for all things trading, where you can analyze market trends, see current prices, and much more. If you're not already on this page, go to the TradingView website and click on the chart option, usually located at the top of the page. This will bring you to a comprehensive view of the current market, allowing you to explore and scrutinize multiple trading components. Once you're on the chart page, locate the plus sign, which is prominently displayed within the interface. This plus sign is crucial as it's your gateway to customizing your watch list. Click on it and you'll see a menu with several options. Here you'll want to select currency. This is where you'll find an array of currency pairs available on TradingView. Spend a moment browsing through the options as you'll want to choose the pairs that align with your trading strategies or areas of interest. After selecting currency, you may be overwhelmed by the variety, but don't worry. TradingView categorizes currency pairs efficiently, and you can use the search bar if you're looking for something specific, like EUR/USD, USD/JPY, or any other pair you're keen on tracking. After identifying the pair you want, look for another plus sign next to the currency pair listing. Clicking this plus sign will add the currency pair to your watch list, making it easily accessible for future trades and analyses. Remember, you can add as many pairs as you like, so feel free to experiment with different combinations and see how they align with your trading objectives. And that's it. You have successfully added currency pairs to your watch list. Having this tailored list handy can make a big difference in your trading experience, keeping you focused and informed about the market movements in pairs you're interested in. I hope you found this walkthrough simple and straightforward. If at any point you need to remove a pair from your watch list, simply go back to the watch list, find the pair, and click on the minus sign. This customization feature is there to help you adapt to evolving market conditions and your personal trading journey. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading on TradingView.